The member from Oak Ridges Markham.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Last Friday evening, I attended the Evergreen Hospice Gala in my riding of Oak Ridges Markham. The purpose of this event, consisting of a wonderful evening of dinner and entertainment, was to raise public awareness and funds for Evergreen Hospice and its important palliative care initiatives in the community. First established in 1989, Evergreen Hospice helps residents of the towns of Whitchurch, Stouffville and Markham deal with life-threatening illness, death and bereavement. Various services are offered, including individual counselling and grief support groups. Evergreen Hospice has long had a profound impact on the community. Each year, it supports about 200 active clients and over 400 people attend its support groups. A non-profit organization, it has received funding from various sources, including grants from the Ministry of Health, the Ontario Trillium Foundation, and donations from individuals, community organizations, and businesses. Last week's gala and Hike for Hospice, another event I attended earlier this year at the Stouffville Reservoir Conservation Area, are also important sources of funds. I wish to recognize the value of hospice services in the healthcare system, and I commend the tremendous efforts of the volunteers and staff from Evergreen Hospice who make all their services possible. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.